No, don't go on. Don't come in here. Hi, you guys. You mean here? Yeet, my buddy. Yeet, yeet. What's up? Really? Oh. All this stuff in this dust can just go right back out. Alright, I don't think I need a broom right now. So, now we can start putting the Christmas stuff back here. Woo, y'all. When I tell y'all this is actually a job, this is a job. Literally a job. Because this thing was so packed, that's not even funny. Because ever since Christmas, we've just been coming in and out this thing, and it just got so bad. So I'm like, you know what? It's time to clean it out. So that's what I'm doing. Look, this is better already.
Dang, you doing good. That's crazy.
So this is really crazy. And look, I put all the Christmas stuff up here and the rest of it over there. Now, these gifts too. You hear me, that other bag? That, there were the gifts in here. I'm like, whoa.
Oh. What else you need?
The stroller. Right here. I'm about to put this back. I don't know what this is. I think it's just like an extra piece of wood. That's just bad.